Continuing our coverage this evening, the U.S. Supreme Court appears poised to overturn the landmark Roe v. Wade ruling that legalized abortions nationwide.
An early draft opinion obtained by Politico states there is no constitutional right to abortion services. This decision would allow each state to set its own abortion laws. People are even out in downtown Austin right now marching and voicing their thoughts on this very issue.
KXAN's Maggie Glenn live in our newsroom. She explains how the move could drive more voters to the polls this fall in Texas.
Well, Robert, Texas's trigger law, officially signed into law by the governor last year, would criminalize almost all abortions if the high court does overturn Roe versus Wade. It does not make exceptions for rape or incest. And based on recent polling, state Democrats hope this will give them an edge against Republicans in November. A range of reactions on the Capitol grounds Tuesday to the news of the High Court's opinion leak.
I'm generally across the board against abortion.
As a woman, it's my choice to decide what I want to do.
If Roe v. Wade is overturned, abortion could become a top driver for voters.
It's up there. I mean, it's top 5.
Oh, yes, definitely. I will be going out in November.
State Democrats are hoping to capitalize on public opinion on the trigger law in Texas.
It's an attack on the women of Texas. It means that abortion will be outlawed, criminal, even, and this is important for all of us to understand, even in cases of rape and incest and danger to a woman's life.
The Texas Politics Project polled potential Texas voters earlier this year and found a majority, 53%, do not support a complete ban.
The plurality position among Republicans when you ask more nuanced questions is they want abortion available primarily in cases of rape, incest, or threat to the woman's body, a little over 40%.
Republican state lawmakers point out their position has remained the same for years.
And the Republicans have long stood for life, a number of bills over a number of years to do various things to protect life. And of course, if the court steps in and does that, then we have achieved something huge.
It's also not the only motivation for voters, and there are still months before the November election.
Border security and the economy, criticizing Biden, those are powerful drivers of Republican public opinion. It's still a big question mark.
We did reach out to the governor's office and his campaign for a statement on the leak in our state's trigger law, but have not yet received a statement. The Republican-dubbed Heartbeat Act, which is separate from the trigger law, has effectively banned abortions in Texas once fetal activity is detected in the womb. That's been one of Abbott's major campaign talking points over the last few months. That bill took effect last September. Britt?